Okay, so on this question, here's, let me put in the wall. The equal sign, remember, is a wall of separation. And our goal is to get X all alone, right? X is right here. I said, I want to be alone, get rid of all this other stuff so I can be alone. Okay, what do we do first? Well, we have parentheses, don't we? And so I'm going to distribute. I changed mine. You know, mine originally was a 0 there, but I just wanted to make it a 2, make it more interesting. Okay, so I multiply. And so 15 times X is going to be 15X minus 15 times 2 is 30, huh? Well, let's just bring down the plus 6 and the minus 14X. We good to there? So I just distributed. Remember, and that's what we always do. Whenever you have something outside of parentheses, it's like water outside of a floodgate, right? When the walls come down, when the parentheses drop, there's no more parentheses here, are there? When the walls come down, the water rushes in, hits both those. Okay. So now we have 15X take away 14X, right? Because those are like terms. Remember, we combine those two because they're like terms. And then we're going to combine these two because they're also just plain old numbers, right? So 15X minus 14X is 1X. And minus 30 plus 6, just use your calculator if you're not sure. It's minus 24. Because think about money, remember positives and negatives are like gains and losses of money. If you lose $30 and you gain back $6, you lost $24. The other side is just 13. Everybody see what happened there. So I combine the two X's. 15X minus 14X is 1X. And minus 30 plus 6 is minus 24. And now X is, and I want to be alone. I want to be alone. Get rid of that 24. So we'll go, okay. Add 24. Right? We always do the opposite of whatever's next to X to get X alone. Get rid of it so X is alone. So 1X, that's just X, right? 1 times X is the same as just X. The other side, we just add these guys up. What's that going to be? 37. There it is. We solved for X, we got it alone. So what do we do again? With the parentheses, whenever you have something outside parentheses, you distribute. So it became 15X minus 30. Brought down the 6 and the minus 14X. Then we combine 15X minus 14X is 1X. Minus 30 plus 6 is minus 24. Then we had to get X alone, so we added 24 to both sides to cancel this out. X is alone, 37. There we go.